Hey everyone, we are going to make this mini table. So we are going to use this CD, cover it using this printed cloth. Now we are going to fold this jute rope and paste it on the top of it. We are going to cover it like this. After that we are going to decorate it using this beautiful lace. Now take 3 sticks and cover them as well using this rope. Here we are going to make the stand for the table, and look, it's done. Paste it at the bottom side of it. Now we are going to make chairs as well. Look at this, put it around, and look, your beautiful miniature table chair is ready for your Barbie doll. Look at this beautiful miniature comfy couch. Let's make it. So take this sellotape. Now we are going to cut 2 circles from cardboard. Paste cloth on the top of it. Here we are going to make the cushions. So paste both the circles on the top and back side of the ring like this using hot glue gun. Now we are going to paste these sticks around it. Here we are going to make the back of the couch like this and cover it using this white cloth. Now we are going to give it a shape. So bend all the sticks like this and start rolling the rope around those sticks like this. Cut the extra rope like we are doing here, and we are going to cut the extra sticks as well. And look, it's done. After this we're going to decorate it by pasting these beautiful white balls on the top of the couch like this. Put one after another, and look, it's done. Now flip it, and here we are making the legs by pasting these balls at the bottom side like this. Flip it, and look, your couch is ready. Here we're going to make this mini hat for your doll. So let's get started. We're going to make multiple cut on this paper cup using scissors. After this we're going to spread it like this. Now take a jute rope and start covering this paper cup like we are doing here. Cut the extra part of the paper cup using scissors. Now we are going to add a beautiful lace like this. Add more decorations, and look, your beautiful hat is ready. You can also put a rose flower, and look, it's done. Let's make this mini carriage for your doll. Let's get started. We are going to cut the shape from cardboard. Cover it with this beautiful cloth. Now we are going to paste sticks around it. After that we are going to bend all the sticks like this, one after another. Now we are going to cover it using this white thread. So we are going to put this around the sticks, and look, your carriage is ready. You can also put sticks around it for legs, and look, it's done. Put a pillow inside it for your doll. Keep your doll inside, and look how pretty this is looking. In this video we're going to make this mini swing for your doll. So take this lid and cover it using this cloth. Flip it and cover the base as well using jute cloth. Now we are going to put beautiful lace around it for decorations. Now take these 4 sticks and roll it, and we are going to make the stand for the swing. Similar way we are going to cover these sticks and bend it and make the seat for the swing. And look, put all of them together and your mini swing is ready. Put your doll on it, and it is looking so pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video.